John McKeag here, Liberty Aid Academy. You should get into the YouTube subscription, not just a subscriber, right? But you become a member at the mentor level. And I go live last Monday of every month, and I do videos in between. And so now there are all these built up videos in there. You should jump in. First thing I did in there was start a trust, John McKeag Trust, and then build his credit profile and teach you every step-by-step thing to do. And now we've gotten that trust up to getting credit. Look at this. John McKeag Trust, you're building credit, fantastic. Business credit is going good. Let's see how we're doing. Oh, we're on Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, Experian. How are we doing? That's our latest one. And so how many accounts do we have? Four accounts, 80 out of 100 credit profile, ready to go with helicopter money. Are you ready to go with helicopter money? You should get in here and get ready. I've done a lot of other things too, but here's the proof. Jump in, mentor level membership, YouTube. Okay, you could do this.